the transformation comes into play.
Yeah, well, actually, just to comment on that one, the one thing I'm a pretty lazy architect for that matter. I'm not lazy, but I'm a lazy architect. So I always go by the rule: if someone already invented something that I can use, then why would I rebuild it myself? And that's still the golden rule. Companies like Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, they spend millions of dollars on their platforms. Why would I start building something for myself then? If I can use that, and maybe I can do some tweaking and tuning, but if I can use it, let's go there. Let's go for that. And that's actually driving. That can really be a how will you say that? A flywheel for transformation, for digital transformation. Just look at what is outside there, what is out there, and use that. And that's not only for the platform, that's also for the guys that actually are behind those platforms. I find great inspiration of guys like, and these are the obvious ones, like Steve Jobs, like Satya Nadella, Jeff Bezos. I know that they are the obvious ones, but they really have started something different in this world. They really started. And where they are coming from is basically sort of where I'm sitting right now, thinking of something in their shed, thinking of a certain new business model whatsoever. Think, okay, so how can I bring that to the people? How can I make that really easy to consume? That's what they do, what they've done. And it's always the same thing. Steve Jobs really thought about, okay, so if I want to have music, or I want to have a phone, or whatever, how can I make it in such a way that it's really easy to use without any knowledge that I have to have before I can start using it? It needs to be completely, how would you call it, intuitive, usable. And that's exactly what they did. You can give an iPod to anyone, or iPhone, or whatsoever, to anyone, and they will probably understand very quickly how to use it.
Absolutely.
Applies for, and that even applies to Microsoft Azure for one, or AWS, or actually it doesn't matter, but I'll take Azure as an example. Azure has been able to sort of create a platform that is really simple to use. You go to a portal, you click, if you want a VM spun up for any reason, it's there. You just click the button on that machine and it spins up.